What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you one more thing that comes with your GPT Plus plan, which you'll see under my plan. It is create and use custom GPTs. So what is that? Those are actually custom models that are like maybe branches of GPT-4, 4.0, or built out by the community that you can interact with and add yourself. So you can see the most popular ones, the trending ones in the community. A GPT specialized in generating and refining images with a mix of professional and friendly tone. An enhanced scholar searcher, which that sounds pretty good. So let's add those two. So let's start a chat with this one. Generate me an image of Steph Curry shooting a three-pointer. And this custom GPT that specializes in image generation, it only had 3.6 out of 5 stars, so we'll see how good it really is. It might be hit or miss, but let's see what it can do. Yeah, that's a lot better than the one that GPT-4 just generated by default. Look at the realisticness of this. Like, it is much better. The one I did with the custom or the regular GPT, which if I scroll up, sorry, it was this. So that's a big difference, I would say, with that one. That's pretty good. So that's image generator. Let's do the Scholar GPT. You can see 4.2 out of 5 stars, number 1, 2 million conversations. This one's great. Let's start a chat with this one. Maybe this is like GPT-4, but more trained on like scholarly data. Or maybe it's just something completely different. I'm not too sure on that. Leave a comment if you know for sure. But I know this is a feature that you can add. So you can get a bunch of custom GPTs, not only just smarter GPT-4 and 4.0, you get like a lot more resources this way. So find me a scholarly, if I could type, paper on Chernobyl. Sure, we can allow. It has to be able to search the internet. I'm basically allowing it to search the internet, search scholarly articles, granting it permission to do things like that, and take a look. It found me a bunch of papers on Chernobyl and what happened. Yeah, there are a lot of scholarly papers. I remember having to do some university assignments on this. But yeah, another custom GPT that has improved performance over the regular one. So let's try and ask the regular one and compare again. That one gave me like at least 7 scholarly papers, and I only asked for 1. So like a direct comparison. 30 years after Chernobyl accidents, sheep farming. Oh, it even includes the authors, the paper it was published in. So like, all of these are legit for sure, at least. And then my new chat, what did it say? We can just take a look. Maybe this one is not as reliable, Maybe that's the thing. This one's more reliable. That's why you want to use that one. But yeah, you can just search. You can find other things like research and analysis, education, lifestyle. There is so many things that people have made that you guys can mess around with once you have this GPT Plus subscription. So please try it out. Like, you can make music. This is like a lot of power at your fingertips. I do recommend trying this out. So add your own custom GPTs. Don't use only 4 and 4.0 if you're paying for this anyways. And yeah, also drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.